Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to download Sky, Children of the Light on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, make sure that Steam is installed on your PC. Steam is a widely used platform for downloading and playing games. If you don't have it installed yet, visit the official Steam website. You'll find the Install Steam button in the top right corner. Click it and follow the steps to set up Steam on your computer. Once Steam is installed, open it. If you haven't signed up yet, create a free account by selecting Create a Free Account and entering your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top right of Steam and type in Sky, Children of the Light. You'll see the game in the search results. Click on the game's name to open its store page. Since this game is free, simply click Add to Library. Now, head over to your Library tab, where you'll find Sky, Children of the Light listed. Click on it, then hit the Install button. Select where you want to install the game and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once it's done, the Play button will appear. Click it to launch Sky, Children of the Light. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.